Hello, my maths ninjas. Welcome to the part 2 video of multiplication by nines. Let's have a quick recap before we start today's video. In the previous video, like if you have not watched the previous video, I would suggest first watch the part 1 video for the better understanding. So in the part 1 video, we have discussed the multiplication of the numbers by repeating nines like 9, 99, 999 and so on. And a very important result, a method that we have discussed, that all from 9 and last from 10. Now how we have to discuss that, how we have to use that, we have seen in the previous one. Let's have a quick recap of what we have discussed previously. So we have seen the multiplication of the numbers with the same number of nines. Like for instance, like if I have to multiply 26 with 99. Like here, the number of digits in the number is also 2 and the number of nines are also 2. So how we did that? You need to reduce this 26 by 1. That means it is 25 and we have to reduce the numbers all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 2 is 7 and 10 minus 6 is 4. And that's the answer. Let's take up one more one here. So 273 maybe and multiplied by 999. Here you can see again the number of digits in the numbers are also 3 and the nines are also 3. So the method is reduce the number by 1. So 272 and 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. So that is how we get our answers. In today's video, we are going to see what if the number of digits are not equal. So let's take another example. Like for instance, if I have to multiply this 26 with 999. So you can see here the number of digits are 2 in this number and number of nines are 3. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to equalize the digits first. That is, if there are 3 digits, here also we have to make 3. And hence, the simple rule will be, we'll put 0 in front of 26 and now both the numbers have equal number of digits. So they have equalized and now we will repeat our same method which we did in this one. So here what we're going to do is we will write 26 minus 1 is 25 and again 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is what we have to do. Easy? Yeah. Let's take another example. Say 273 and that I have to multiply it by, now we will take 4 nines here, right? So the same method will go again. What we need to do is we will equalize the digits and reduce this 273 by 1, which makes it 272 and now all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 10 minus 3 will be 7. So this is how we get the answers so easily. So we have seen 2 cases. Now the last third case. And in the third case, it is going to be here when the number of digits in our number is more than the number of nines. Like for instance, if I have to take a number, say 26 multiplied by 9. So in that case, actually the multiplication gets more easier. How? Let's see. So 9 is nearest to 10 and 10 has got 1 0. So we are going to put 1 0 after the number, that is 260. And simply what we have to do is we have to reduce this 260 by the original number, that is 260 minus the original number, that is 26. So do the smart calculation here also. The 2 will come as it is 2 and 60 minus 26 is going to be 34 and that's the answer. Okay, let's take another one quickly. So I'll take a number 273 and multiply it by 99. So here also the number of digits in the number is 3 and the numbers of nines are only 2. So what we're going to do is 299. Now 99 is nearest to 100 and 100 has got 2 zeros. So this will be 273, 2 zeros at the back, and minus the original number, that is 273. So here also 27 will come as it is, and 300 minus 273 is 027. And that's it. Isn't it so amazing how quickly we have done such a huge calculation? Hardly we have taken few seconds only, right? So let's have a quick recap what we discussed in today's video. First, multiplication of the numbers where the number of digits are equal, like 2 and 2. Here, 3 and 3. So both the digits, both the numbers have the same number of digits. In the second category, we have taken where the number of digits are lesser than the number of nines in the number. And third category here, the number of digits are more than the number of nines. So this is it in today's video. Do check out the previous one if you haven't done that, and do revise it and definitely practice few more examples, few more questions, and use this technique in your upcoming questions. Otherwise, you will not remember this. See, this is a kind of a skill that we are building. So do learn new skills, but keep on revising them, keep on practicing them. And as I say, Samjho Maths and Jeeto Confidence. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and do comment in the comment below. Thanks for watching.